Welcome to the episode, folks. I really hope you enjoyed the episode of this VS, getting it to Roadworthy and also getting it on the road registered legal. Just a few more dollars. I'm going for a Roadworthy in the next few days, so this is what I have to do. I have to repair the windscreen, and it's got a bullseye here and a bullseye there and a scratch across here. I'm going to buff this up. Should have my sunglasses on today. I think it's probably around 36 degrees already. We're only at about 11 o'clock. 40 degrees today, folks. Not for the faint-hearted, but we're going to work on the trusty. My missus, she actually bought these grade 8 bolts. They're not automotive. I just need them a bit longer. For the Mitsubishi alternators, a slightly different design, as in they have the nut at the back and not at the front. So I had to buy longer bolts. I might have to trim this one yet. And there's a bolt that goes in down the bottom, so I'll be doing that. The next job is just assemble this. I've never had it assembled before. Got a few nuts and bolts. I've got a brand new steering wheel, leather, and I just bolt up the BCM and the PCM, and I've got all these covers to put on. That's part of the, they just hinge down if you want them. And I eventually got to put a fuel filter on. There's the PCM. Just hook it up there and then pop the sidekick panel up. Just going to clean this up, and I've got a new switch for the glove box. The other one was broken. There's the golden seat, folks. There it is there, flat. Yes, it's a 3-seater. Don't know if it'll pass the Roadworthy, because see this little thing here. I got another one from Hamish Higgins from Bannockburn, and it has like a display stick on it. I can just drill something in there and paint it white, and then see how it goes up. It's actually slightly out. It should be pulling up on it. First, second, third drive. So it's not far off. I think I can tighten it up. I think. Yeah. Just going to a show and shine, as it says, car, bike, truck show. They do it in the evening here because normally every day is over 30 degrees out here. So we'll see what it's like. So this is the Suzuki, let's see, looks like about a 92, a 93, that's the one to get. Jim's got a 2000, Johnny has. It's similar to this, but this is air cooled, and some nice ones here.
Yeah, I'm going to wander around.
So this is a Conker here. It's Holden Kingswood, probably about looks like a Premier because they have dual headlights. It's been repainted, but it's still got the original interior. Cadillac, Buick. Mercedes, whatever that is. Oh, it's another Cadillac. Dodge, Chrysler, Chevy engine. That's the last model they ever made. 340 kilowatts, so 500 and I'm guessing 570 horsepower standard from the factory. And here's a C6 Citroen, probably the best back here. Look at that. See how it's curved like that. And this one's immaculate. Yeah, spaceship. That's the one we're going to buy, wasn't it? I think it's a club sport. I think it's a club sport, 195 kilowatts. I think it's called an iron horse engine. It's a V8. It's got a few ponies and two-wheel drive. Yeah, American. Don't even know what it is. I think it could be a Pontiac, is it? Don't know. Oldsmobile? Oh, they're judging him, these guys. These are the judges. Yeah, he's got his notepad. Yeah, Cortina. They were everywhere, those ones. Now they're all gone. They crushed them all. Oh, she likes this shit. Tri-5 Chevy. Tri-5. California kid. It's a great break. Come down here. I don't know how many cars, maybe 150 all up. Maybe 130. But it was a good turnout. Original cars, nice coloured cars, and a few motorbikes there too. And you can buy a sausage and have a beer or coffee or tea. Just got to turn the car around because of the blazing heat. Do the interior, just fix the interior up. I've done under the bonnet. Yeah, it sounds good. Oh, automatic works. Power steering. Big V6, mate. Just turn it around just like a normal Joe would. It's got a bit of the rear wheel drive, it can fling the back out. We're out in the bush. Someone's doing skids in my thingamajig. Don't ever do that again, folks. Maybe put it here. Not much shade anywhere. What's that smell? We'll have a look. All right, huh? I can smell fire, but that's from over there, not here. The old Buick, mate. She doesn't smoke. Look at that. Beautiful. When I get it really hot, probably go out in the morning of the Roadworthy, because I'm allowed to drive on the road and the Roadworthy, to and from the Roadworthy station, to and from the mechanics. Then I can really test the brake pads into the discs, because the discs have been rusting for 10 years, and I'll scuff all the discs up, right, and get it ready, because if they do a test on the Roadworthy, the brake performance, it'll fail. So I have to get it running good on the brakes. But have a look how good it looks with the new alternator. Here in the interior, it's not looking good, folks. This windscreen's shot, and I've got 2 days to fix it. On this windscreen, as you can see, it's got a bullseye there and a bullseye there. It's got a scratch on the inside, so someone's used their diamond ring on there, and there's another scratch inside. So that's in the line of sight. And also it's got a lot of marks and bullseye, and I just checked the windscreen. I'm quite surprised this could be almost original. It says the 8th month 98, 27, so it's a year after the car was born. So it's an old windscreen, what we say as in sandblasted. It's got all marks all over it. I might be up for a windscreen, $350, whatever it is, but I'm gonna have a go. I'm gonna do these bullseyes in a minute, and that's the glue, and that's the kit that I bought on the webs. Can't remember how much, 20 bucks. First of all, I got my little hand polisher, you know, the one I bought. Got some Maguire's, that's a cutting compound, that one. And this is a polish one. Got that outside scratch along here, and I think there's one up there. While I'm here, I'm just gonna see if I can do it. Give it a... Sorry, animation. Let's see what we can do. It's a little bit, this is like for paint, but versatility. If I get the right compound, maybe I can cut all the bull dangles out of it. See, I don't know if we'll get this one out. This is the one that, see there, goes across there. You didn't know I could do this sort of thing, folks, to windscreens. This is a general cut, so we're just going to see how it goes. If it improves it here and there, I think we might be on a winner. Or, got to drive down the oval. I don't think you can take the sandblast marks out. It indents like 0.2, 0.3 of a millimetre. Right, just off to a roadworthy appointment. See if we can get this old bus going. A bit of a frothy coffee, you know. Not a new car, no cup holders. So, one hand. It's going. I've had two. We're all set, we'll just go around the corner. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Hello? Roadworthy. The car. Yep. How many? Did it pass? No, it didn't. How many things wrong? All right, send a list through in an email, mate, and I'll have to get it fixed. All right, thanks. See ya. Failed badly. 8 things that needs fixing. Thanks for watching the episode, folks. As you can see, it failed the inspection, and it's utter chaos that in 2 days' time, I've got to drive this car to the next town to get a brand new windscreen. And this little cog there, the broken bit, it was supposed to come in the mail today, a new one, and it didn't arrive. How do we drive this car in a couple of days? You can understand my frustration. See you in the next one, folks.